excited to test out this 2018 Buick Enclave Premium Edition that just arrived. This has got many cool technology, including the rolling Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 7 devices in your vehicle. So everybody can be connected to a Wi-Fi. It's also a nice luxury vehicle. It's got 3 rows of seats, but it's a beautiful interior and a beautiful car. One of the big pluses for this 2018 Buick Enclave Premium Edition is the fact that it seats 7. You've got driver and passenger in the front, 2 bucket seats in the middle, and then you've got 3 seats for small ones in the very back row. Unfortunately, I didn't have any small ones to take with me, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Here I am in the second row. Pretty comfortable seats. They do recline, so that's very nice. Reclining seats. One cool thing I forgot to mention is up here, there's a moonroof for the back seat, folks. Click, and you've got sunshine in the back seat. That's kind of a cool thing. Third row, not recommended for somebody over 6 foot. These front seats have a limited amount of legroom. All right, well that's it. That's our week in the 2018 Buick Enclave Premium. We're gonna close the gate here and say goodbye to this beautiful car. It was a fun drive. Thank you very much for visiting.